This is how to get email alerts on TradingView. Now we are on the TradingView chart. We have Duolingo opened, and I want to set an alert for approximately $130. So I just take my crosshair, I click the plus button, and I add an alert on Duolingo. Now I want to change the settings of this alert. What do? I hover over until I see it, and I double click. So the edit alert panel opens. The basic conditions here: price crossing value at 130. I can change it with my keyboard. You don't need to press enter there because it just autosaves it. Trigger once only. Expiration. Notifications. So right now notifications is enabled, notify in app, and we have play sound enabled. If you click on send email, whenever this alert triggers, the email registered to this TradingView account receives an email. Let's just remove the others as well. Go back and you see here notifications says email. Let's also change the message. So Duolingo crossing $130. We can add placeholders here. So maybe I want the volume. You can play with this whole area. Ticker, maybe you have other details you want. You apply, you save right now. And right now, when price crosses this alert here, you will receive an email alerting you. That's simple. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.